All right, here we go. 1970 AAR Cuda. Hey, watch it, stop. Over here, Caesar. We brought the Cuda back in, we're ready to work on it. One of the things that's been bothering me for quite some time is that deck lid. It just doesn't sit well. When we went in there and we started spot welding all the quarter panels and the trunk floors and everything together, things shifted. If you see, there's a video that we have where we actually fit everything on there, and that deck lid just, it sat perfectly. And we're very excited about that. But the problem is when we did that, nothing was attached permanently. You know, we had self-tapping screws holding everything together, and you know, we had some vice grips and you know, things of that nature. So once you start welding, once you start spot welding and you're moving towards the rear of the car, things tend to shift a little. A self-tapping screw and a spot weld are two totally different points of attachment. And so the spot welder that we have, it creates a lot of pressure, and it really brings those two panels together the way a self-tapping screw could never do. So to make a long story short, things shifted. And so we're gonna go in there, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do, we're gonna shift things around, we may have to go in there and undo some welds, but it's definitely doable, we'll get it done. We may even have to go in there and weld some material on the deck lid on the top right corner because of that gap that we have, but it's doable. We've never done it, we're excited, but I think it can be done, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna show you guys.
Trunk comes out, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have to, bro. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. It would mean the world to us.
Or you want to put it somewhere else?
I don't want to put it there. Caesar. It should go up. Okay, so before we move forward, the deck lid and the torsion rods need to come off.
There you go.
I'm going the wrong way. Hey!
You wanna, do we use a crowbar or no?
Damn, bro.
Well,
So
you
what
gotta
this?
do that in sideways.
Ooh.
You need to put it on the very bottom, Caesar.
Yeah?
Put the vice grip on the very bottom.
Grab it from there.
Yeah, like from right there. All right.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. That's it. So we decided to chisel it to try to drill it out. It's just, there's too much weld there. So we're gonna chisel it and hopefully won't damage the sheet metal.
I gotta be right quiet.
Oh, damn, don't scare me, dude. I was gonna guide it, dude. I was gonna guide it like that already, and he turns it on, bro. You scared me, dude. I thought you were gonna stab me with that thing. How did that thing come up? Pasó, no. Se asustó.
Ahí?
Encantado, sí.
Right there?
Despacito, ya.
Am I on there?
Ya. Mira. Stop.
There you go. That's all.
Whoa, oh, that one came out.
I didn't tell you to take it out. I just didn't want you to put it there.
Right there. We decided to move the trunk lid brackets about a 1/4 inch to the left. That should square off the deck lid.
Yeah, right there. Is that the mark here or what?
Now we just need to hold the trunk brackets in place by using self-tapping screws.
Got it? Can you get it? There you go.
There you go. You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Nice.
Yeah.
Hold on, bro. Hello?
Mata, bro. Get out.
Oh, okay. He was there. Yeah, I had to Corey to go check, but hey, where's the drill?
You took it, bro. You got upset.
You want to do this or what? I think there any we need is just the trunk. We need to go up here and back para allá.
And down here,
Yeah.
this was way too low in the back over here. Shoot.
Oh, man, dude, there it is.
Oh, that's a lot better, bro.
That looks way better, Rennie.
I'm good over here, bro. I'm a little too wide still here. How are you there? Like eighth of an inch, quarter inch?
No, like an eighth maybe.
Oh no, yeah, bro. That's it. Like here, we may have to weld some bead welds
Yeah.
to close it.
That's the best I see this trunk.
Yes, bro. Yeah, bro. What do you think?
This is the best I've seen this trunk, bro.
We took off the spot welds that holds the brackets to the deck lid or the trunk. And those spot welds were on the package tray and they were on the deck filler panel. So we grinded them out and you know, we reset those brackets and now the trunk sits exactly where it needs to sit. So now we got to go back and we need to start spot welding or plug welding that bracket to the new area where it sits on the package tray and the deck filler panel. So we'll show you guys what we're doing. All right, so before we weld anything permanently, we're gonna put on the deck lid striker bracket. Just to put it on, make sure that that striker is gonna sit exactly where it needs to sit for that bracket or brace. Go. We need a clean surface before I start spot welding. So Caesar took a wire brush and removed all the high build primer in and around the holes we made when we removed the spot welds. So I think we're good here on top, Caesar. I don't think we need to weld anymore. I don't think that's going anywhere. Looks good, man. Really good. All right, so we squared away the deck lid. It sits great the way it's supposed to, but there's an issue. On the top right corner of the deck lid, the passenger side, there's too much of a gap. And so we can't pull the quarter panel in and we can't slide the deck lid in as well. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to add material to the deck lid. So we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna do that. It's not a lot, maybe a little bit, maybe an eighth of an inch, a little bit more, but not too much. And so by the time it's all said and done, we'll sand it down and you're not even gonna be able to tell. And we'll show you guys the whole process. to take shape, starting to take form. I think that's probably where we need to be, but I still got to add some more over here, and I'm probably going to go all the way down to about right there. We're laying down just a bunch of little bead wells because we don't want to overheat the panel and have it warp on us and stuff like that. So we're taking it easy. You'll see it right now. It's going to smooth out. It's going to look a whole lot better, but we're far from done. Oh. Let me show you guys what we've got here. That's where it's gonna sit, somewhere around there. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. Right there. So that's this side. Let me show you this side over here. So there it is pretty much, right there. And right there. So that looks really good. Very happy with the outcome. So we did get a little low spot there. Maybe I should have just backed off a little when I was welding there, but that's no big deal. The spot welder, that'll fix that up real quick. It's got some really cool features that will allow you to pull dents without having to drill holes, and it doesn't damage the surface at all. So it's really cool. We'll show you guys when we do that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sand it down. I'm gonna take a grinder and we're gonna smooth it out as much as we can. Okay, so that's pretty much the finished product. We're not gonna do too much after that. I was using 40 grit on that roll lock, so maybe hit it with something a little bit lighter just to smooth it out. We're gonna shoot some primer on there, and we're gonna see if we can't fix that dent right now with the Pro Spot welder. And we'll put it back on the car, we'll take a look at it. There it goes. Oh, forgot to ground it for low. So there she is, the marks, nothing compared to, you know, drilling a hole and pulling it out with a dent puller and all that. I mean, this really looks really nice. Okay, so there it is. That's the inside part. And that's the top part right there. All right, so this isn't the end product, obviously. We're gonna put it on right now, and then once it's on and once the car is ready for... Once the car is ready for body work, then that's when you really go in there and you straighten out those lines and you make it look pristine. That gap on top is not there anymore. Okay, so that's it for the trunk. I'm very happy with it. It's definitely workable and doable. It's gonna look great. I have no doubt about it at all. So now we're gonna move forward and we're gonna start hanging the doors, the front fenders and the hood. We're gonna put it all together and make sure that everything lines up where it needs to line up, because the next step is get it ready for paint. We're gonna paint the interior, we're gonna paint the trunk, we're gonna paint the engine compartment, and we need to put that seam sealer on there. We're gonna do all of that. I'm very excited about that. Stick around, guys. Stick around. Stick around. That's it.